How do I get out of the driver's seat?
I think space.
Wait.
Or E.
Mag-get the ramp, man. What if i-winch mo yung, ano, i-winch mo na lang dito sa mga bato?
Hindi kaya sa bato.
Uy,
Hey, you
ano
can
nangyari?
pwede mo ilagay yung below.
Ano nangyari sa akin? What is happening? Uy, ano nangyayari?
Wait. Hindi na pala si Brandon?
Sumali siya?
Ay, si Brandon ako.
Sabi ko.
Uy, ano nangyayari sa akin?
Brandon ni Brandon. What the fuck?
Wait, stop the car, put it on park.
We need to winch. No, we got
Wait, we can push it, everyone get out and push it.
Push it. There's a bear!
Where's the bear?
Get out!
May bear spray dyan!
It's in the RV! It's in the RV!
Ah, stop it!
May bear spray sa loob!
You fucking asshole, go to that bear!
No! Oh my God! Stop! Grab me!
Come here!
I'm smoking. Wait, I'm trying. Bear. You guys suck.
Meron ba? May
Yeah,
bear.
Wait, I'm gonna winch the bear. Sino sa inyo? Hindi polo!
No. Pinray natin sa akin ng bear spray.
Si Jimmy nagsaswing! I'm alive! Fuck you, bro! Easy.
Wait, I have to. Oh my God, I have to. Ano?
Save you, Ram. Oh, we're alive. What the
It's
fuck?
water!